case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The Second Circuit Court of Appeals ruled in 1997 that the government does not need to prove a knowing violation of the law in order to convict defendants of making false statements in United States v. Gabriel. The term willfully was determined not to require proof of the defendant's awareness that their actions were illegal. James M. Gabriel and Gerard E. Vitti, executives at Chromalloy Research and Technology Division, stood at the center of this lawsuit. They were implicated in a scheme to defraud customers by misrepresenting the repair of jet engines. Gabriel was found guilty of directing an employee to use cheaper, improper material for repairs and creating backdated documents to cover his tracks. Vitti, on the other hand, was convicted of wire fraud. The case took an interesting turn when the pair waived their right to a jury trial in favor of a bench trial. However, their request was denied, leading to a trial that was heavily influenced by evidence of the severe impact their actions had on air safety. Despite the compelling arguments in their defense, the court upheld the convictions. Gabriel was additionally convicted for witness tampering and obstructing a grand jury investigation. However, the court ruled that his $500,000 fine to be reconsidered, effectively vacating it. The landmark ruling of this case set a precedent. It clarified that defendants can be convicted of making false statements without the government having to prove their awareness of unlawful actions. This pivotal case was then remanded for resentencing, closing a significant chapter in the history of fraud litigation.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.